guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you guys are able to watch this video today, because if you didn't watch it, I think you would have missed on so much. So I actually wanted to share with you this fantastic place that I actually visited in April. It's called the Sultan Palace. Yeah, so these are holiday homes. They are for sale, but you can actually rent it out. Some of them are like finished, and the owners have started to rent them out. Yeah, so I was actually there in April, and what I liked about this place is the fact that if you rented the 5-bedroom villa, you can actually get your own pool. Like, the house has a pool, yeah, so you can swim any time of the day that you want. And also the pool in the 5-bedroom villa, like, it's not so deep. Like, my 9-year-old son could actually walk from one end to the other. Yeah, so another thing that I liked about this place is the fact that it has a water park. Like, if you have a water park in a place like Mombasa, like, your children are definitely going to have fun. So you can actually take your kids there and enjoy the water park. It's actually inside the estate, the apartment itself. Yeah, so another thing that I liked about this place is the fact that you can access the beach anytime that you want. Yeah, so you can go to the beach anytime that you want, and the beach isn't so crowded. Like, you can walk from one end to the other without even meeting anybody. So it's kind of private, and you can have so much fun when you're spending time there with your family. So I'd really like you guys to go and visit this place. And if you have any inquiries about the place, about renting, you want to rent it out, please, I'm going to leave my number down below, and I'm also going to leave my email address so that you can actually contact me, or I can direct you to someone who can actually let you know on how you can actually rent out this place. So it's a really fantastic place to be in, and I'd like you guys to go and visit. Yeah, you'll have so much fun. Like, I didn't even want to come back. So guys, I hope that you guys are going to enjoy the rest of the video, and don't just enjoy this video and then you don't subscribe. Please watch this video and give it a thumbs up, subscribe. You can also leave a comment down below in case you want to, you have any inquiry that you want to get to know about. So I'm going to leave it here and see you in my next video, which I'm uploading very soon. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one, 'cause you are the only one, the only one. tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run.
Oh, 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 I can't live without you. Oh, 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 I can't breathe without your love.